In the UPSC ecosystem, most coaching institutes have something in common. In that, you join a course, you get access to a lecture, and with that, you also get a warning, which is you can only watch this lecture once. Or, if they're one of the better institutes, they say you can watch it twice. या फिर अब इसमें क्या होगा कि भाई अगर if you want to watch it more than 2 times, you have to pay a certain amount again. Or there will be some other restriction कि भाई you cannot watch it outside of this geographic region where you bought it from. And it doesn't make sense. But there is a reason why. Because these institutes feel that courses are something that need to be restricted. Why? Because if it is something that is rationed, then you become dependent on them. And you get forced to pay them again one more time in the future. In fact, just the other day, I found out that one of the big name institutes which is charging a foundation course ka fee in lakhs. मतलब foundation course जब खत्म हो जाता है after 1 year, they charge you 10,000 rupees more for giving you access to 1 more year of all the recorded lectures of the course that you paid lakhs for already. And this just blew my mind because at upscprep.com we have seen things fundamentally very differently from the very start. Right from 2021 when we began, me and Shashank sir were very clear कि भाई ये सब हमको नहीं करना है. And this is based on a fundamental understanding of the exam itself. कि भाई देखो, people when they think कि I'm going to prepare for UPSC Civil Services exam, they think it's going to be a 1 year process. कि भाई I'll start prelims mains interview and 1 year I'll be done. But practically speaking, you need 1 year before the start of the exam. And let's say you start now in the month of June of 2026. So hoga kya? You will need 1 year to prepare for all of your GS subjects, to practice enough answer writing, to make your notes, to do your optional. All of these things, once you have done, then you will start the prelims mains interview wala exam cycle. And that itself is another year. So even, let's say you clear in your first attempt. Even then, it will take at least 2 years for you to make it through the entire exam process, and that is when you are clearing it in your first attempt, which is, a very optimistic scenario because most people don't clear it in their first attempt. But hoga kya? Because that foundation course ka access was with you only for that 1 year. Even in your first attempt, you did not have access to that course. And sometimes, obviously, people take a lot more attempts because this is the nature of the exam. When 10 lakh people are applying for an exam, there are some minor things here and there that can cause कि you did not get into either stage of the exam. And this does not mean कि you failed. It just is the nature of this exam कि कभी कभार 2-3 attempt लग जाते हैं in order to find success in this exam. And this is what we had in mind. At upscprep.com, we have a very, very deep understanding of this because we have gone through these journeys ourselves. मतलब सब चाहते हैं that everybody wants to clear in their first attempt. But practically, reality is a little different. And keeping that in mind, we designed the UPSC Essential course. In this course, you get access to everything for 3 years. Not 1, not 2, 3 years. क्योंकि देखो, a great example of this is Abhishek Chauhan, right? Somebody who joined UPSC Essential in the month of June of 2023, cleared Civil Services Exam 2025 with a rank of 102, and iska result aaya in April of 26. So if he wanted to give another attempt in 2026, he still had access to mentorship and the classes, current affairs ka live classes from that course, the recordings of all the classes that he had from that course. Everything he still had access to because this is the nature of the exam and we understand it very well. So, with that in mind, in UPSC Essential, you get access to classes for 3 years. Now, these are जो core classes आपकी होंगी for prelims, for mains, for all general study subjects. You will have access once the classes are done to the recordings for 3 years, which you can watch as many times as you want. Well, there are no limits on that. You will have access to the current affairs classes which are done every Monday for the next 3 years. You will have access to mentorship, one-to-one mentorship for the next 3 years. And the reason for this is simple. We are not doing a 1-year transaction कि अगले साल आना है तो फिर से pay me 10,000 rupees or you want this extra feature 5,000 rupees more. Well, this is not plus subscription, plus ultra subscription. We don't like doing those things because we believe that we have to stand with the aspirant, we have to stand with the candidate who trusted us to help them through a journey, and we believe in standing with them through the entire process. And Obviously you are paying us to join the course, so that is a transaction, but we don't like being transactional. क्योंकि अब जो 1-to-1 मेंटरशिप के बारे में मैंने बात करी थी अभी, that is built into this course for 3 years you get 1-to-1 mentorship, which is also unlimited by the way. In most other courses, or in almost every course nowadays you go into the UPSC ecosystem, you'll see that mentorship is part of the course. But when you read the fine print, so they will say कि अच्छा, if you want 1-to-1 mentorship ना, तो then 10,000 rupees extra on the price that was here. And अगर वो 1-to-1 mentorship आप नहीं लेते हो, so then you are part of a group of 100 people who are in a call, and in that it is very very difficult for your doubts and queries to be resolved. It might as well have been कि भी आपने YouTube पे कोई comment छोड़ दिया था कि भी मेरा डाउट लिख के, and उम्मीद कर रहे हो कि भी देख लेंगे, because 100 लोग में जब डाउट पूछते हैं लोग, तो मतलब it's very easy कि भी आपको इग्नोर किया जा सकता है. तो we did not believe in this model, and we did not believe कि भैया 1-to-1 mentorship का अलग से कुछ चार्ज करो, because mentorship has to be 1-to-1. And यहाँ पे we have built a very very strong team of mentors, people who have cleared the exam in the past. I am part of that team. Shashank sir, Ketan sir, मतलब experienced people with multiple stages of this exam, people who have cleared multiple mains, multiple interviews, and all of them are here to help and support you directly and individually. Now, इसमें एक और चीज होती है कि भाई let's say you're going to a doctor, right? तो डॉक्टर जब आप जाते हो तो क्या करते हो कि भाई you go to the clinic, you take an appointment, you wait for a couple of minutes as your turn comes up, and then the doctor talks to you individually. तो similarly, since digital mentorship यहाँ पे है over Zoom calls, what happens is कि भाई okay, you will be asked to book a specific time कि भाई okay, I want to take a mentor call on Monday at 11 a.m. or maybe on Saturday at 7 p.m. Whatever time, there will be multiple time slots available to you. And once you get there, there will be a queue. 2 to 3 people will be there on the call with you, but the mentor will be talking to you individually. The other people can listen in on what is being talked about, because a lot of the times, if let's say I'm talking to somebody who is giving mains this time and you are somebody who has not made it that far, कभी कभार just सुन के कि अच्छा उनके doubts क्या हैं, it gives you a lot of understanding and perspective on the exam, which you might not have gotten by yourself this quickly. So this is something that happens in these mentor calls. And even if you want कि भाई okay, I want to discuss something very personal, I don't want to discuss it in front of others, you can ask the mentor कि भाई please talk to me privately, and they do. So all of these things are there, and that is the core difference at upscprep.com with the UPSC Essential course, that we don't believe in the idea of rationing कि नहीं 2 बार ही मेंटर कॉल करोगे महीने में, यानी 3 बार से ज्यादा देख लिया तो मतलब इतना ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. We don't believe in that, because we believe in helping you succeed, and for that unlimited जो ये चीजें हैं, there it's not just a feature that we are offering you, it is how we see the relationship that we are building with the candidate who has trusted in us enough to give us their hard-earned money to help them succeed in this exam. So if you feel like कि भाई आज का lecture एक और बार देखना है, watch it 1 more time, watch it 3 more times. If you feel कि भाई okay, mentorship पिछले हफ्ते हुई थी, but I have some new insights or some new problems that I want to discuss with the mentor, book a mentor call again. मतलब we are not going anywhere. We are standing here with you till you succeed in this exam. That is what unlimited means to us. कि भाई if you are putting in the hard work and effort, we are standing with you every step of the way. And if you're preparing for UPSC in 2027 or 28, you can check out the UPSC Essential course. The course is starting on the 25th of June, and details for all of that will be in the video description as well as the pinned comment. All the best on your UPSC journey.